Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much and feel too little.
Welcome back to the channel. Like, comment and subscribe. Heroes Weekend. Wow. I can only imagine how Sam Sharp, Paul Bogle, not to mention Marcus Garvey, Danny, these people and other heroes that have actually fought for our freedom, fought for us to have rights, fought for us to actually have bodily autonomy, control over our personal bodily autonomy. I can only imagine how much they are probably turning in their rears. We see what is happening. Okay, this is no longer matter of fact. It was never about our health. Okay, I am not sure when the people will wake up to recognize that no one will pay you to keep you alive. You are not that important. Those who are fully medicated, do not trick yourself. You are not that important to government officials. You are not that important to science. If anything, you would be put in the line of fire to contribute to the greater good. What is happening today is a blatant disrespect to our ancestors. I wouldn't even say to us, to our ancestors. And we are sitting back and allowing it to happen. As I said, many of you may not know how to explain what is going on, but you know that something is wrong. There are kids now being put in the line of fire, and these persons do not care. The narrative is medicate every single soul. It doesn't matter if it will affect you or not. Think about it. They are willing to starve and suffer you. They are willing to do whatever it takes to disrupt your livelihood, right? These are things that can result in you dying. You should not receive Medicare, increase stress levels. They are willing to do all these things in order to, quote unquote, save your life. Doesn't this hit a nerve? This should say something to the Jamaican people, that this is not normal. Even if you cannot explain it, this is not normal. Recognize the climate, people. Our culture is on the brink of extinction. This day, this Heroes Weekend, we don't deserve it. It would be better if we were not free. Observe the PM. He cannot stop doing what he's doing. When I see him giving his speech and the things that leaves his mouth, I don't sense care. I don't hear care. I don't hear genuine concern. I hear desperation. You can comment below and let me know if you think I'm wrong. I hear desperation. He is desperate. Something happened. And I know that the rest of Jamaica realizes this. We have the power. Do not let them use our jobs against us, because they need us more than we need them. They have sold us that false narrative that we need them. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. They need us more than we need them. Observe the previous video. The American economy is going in shambles. Listen, they are already, a lot of organizations already short-staffed. Stand up, people. Don't be afraid. It will seem difficult and impossible at first, but recognize that they will come begging for us to return. We know that the mass censorship and coercion, this is not normal. They've made us promises that if you get medicated, then you will be able to be free to do XYZ, right? And that has not been forthcoming, okay? And now they are actually trying to divide us all by separating medicated from unmedicated, driving us to fight against each other. Breaking the unity will only result in defeat. Think about that. These people have gone so far to the point wherein they are saying you will not receive medical attention. So if you break your leg, you slide and break your leg in your house and you go to the hospital, nobody will look at you. Why? Because you did not put their new technology in your body. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a VACCINE. It is not. Okay? It doesn't follow the typical line of what a VACCINE is. This is not how VACCINE has been formulated over the years. Do your research. I'm going to send you to do one single research. Research what is mRNA and what it does. because it only does one major thing. There are about 4 different mRNAs, and it's actually the one mRNA that actually transitioned to become other RNAs. If I'm not mistaken, you can comment in the section. You can drop a comment in the section to let me know if what I'm saying is correct or incorrect. But recognize that mRNA only does one thing. Read about what is RNA, matter of fact, and then branch off in what is mRNA, and then you will find your answer. This is not a medication. In fact, countries with the highest level of medicated people are the countries that has the highest bug spike. Think about that as well. Listen, something is wrong, and we need to stand now. Do not fall and break under pressure. We need to stand right now. There's so much I really want to say, but I don't want to go off stating things that will confuse the people, because I recognize that the people are kind of limited in their thinking capacity. So as soon as you start to throw out some scientific terms or throw out some factual information regarding what's going on around them, they become frustrated, they become flustered, they don't want to hear it. What the people want is for things to be given to them straightforward. So I'm trying my best to stay away from the jargons and the big words and all those things, because of the people that I really want to appeal to. Wake up, people. If we allow this mandate, both medicated and unmedicated are in trouble.
The misery that is now upon us is but the passing of greed. The bitterness of men who fear the way of human progress. The hate of men will pass, and dictators die. And the power they took from the people will return to the people. And so long as men die, liberty will never perish. Soldiers, don't give yourselves to brutes. Men who despise you, enslave you, who regiment your lives, tell you what to do, what to think, and what to feel, who drill you, diet you, treat you like cattle, use you as cannon fodder. Don't give yourselves to these unnatural men, machine men with machine minds and machine hearts. You are not machines, you are not cattle, you are men. You have the love of humanity in your hearts. You don't hate, only the unloved hate, the unloved and the unnatural. Soldiers, don't fight for slavery, fight for liberty. In the 17th chapter of St. Luke it is written, the kingdom of God is within man, not one man nor a group of men, but in all men, in you. You, the people, have the power to create machines, the power to create happiness. You, the people, have the power to make this life free and beautiful, to make this life a wonderful adventure. Then in the name of democracy, let us use that power. Let us all unite. Let us fight for a new world, a decent world, that will give men a chance to work, that will give youth a future and old age a security. By the promise of these things, brutes have risen to power, but they lie. They do not fulfill that promise. They never will. Dictators free themselves, but they enslave the people. Now let us fight to fulfill that promise. Let us fight to free the world, to do away with national barriers, to do away with greed, with hate and intolerance. Let us fight for a world of reason, a world where science and progress will lead to all men's happiness. Soldiers, in the name of democracy, let us all unite!